In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Microsoft Loop 2026 Full Guide. If you're cleaning up old projects or consolidating your work, deleting a workspace can help keep Loop organized. Just remember, this action is permanent and removes everything in that workspace, so make sure you truly no longer need it. You'll also need the right permissions. Typically, only workspace owners or people with admin rights can delete a workspace. Start by opening Microsoft Loop in your browser and signing in with your work or school account. You'll land on the Loop homepage where your workspaces are displayed. Depending on your preference, you might see them in a grid with cards or in a compact list. There's usually a toggle to switch views and a search bar to quickly find what you need. Use these to locate the exact workspace you want to remove. Take a moment to double check the name and any visual cues like the workspace icon so you don't accidentally pick the wrong one. Once you've found it, hover your mouse over the workspace card in the grid, or look to the far right if you're in list view. You'll see a three-dot icon, often called the More Options menu. Click that icon to open the menu for this specific workspace. This menu controls actions that apply to the entire workspace, not just an individual page, which is important because deleting a workspace will remove every page, component, task, and comment inside it. From the menu, choose Delete. Before you continue, pause for a quick sanity check. If there's anything in the workspace you might need later, consider copying content elsewhere or exporting key pages first. Also confirm that you selected the workspace itself, not a document within it. When you're confident, proceed. A confirmation prompt will appear explaining that this deletion is permanent and will remove all content for everyone with access. Read that message carefully. If this workspace has shared links or is embedded in other places, those links will stop working after deletion. When you're ready, click Delete again to confirm. Loop will process the request, and in a moment, the workspace will disappear from your grid or list. Collaborators will immediately lose access, and the content cannot be restored from within Loop. That's it. You've successfully deleted a workspace in Microsoft Loop. Quick recap: open Loop, locate the correct workspace, use the three-dot menu, choose Delete, and confirm the permanent removal. Use this process to keep your workspace list tidy, and always verify you're deleting the right one before you confirm.